L-ewwel wasliet ta' Maltin fit-Tunezija jmorru lura lejn is-seklu 19. Il-migrazzjoni Maltija li bdiet fl-1815 kienet iddominata mill-faqar li kien hawn f'Malta fil-bidu tas-seklu 19. Il-familja ta' Catel Delija kienet waħda minn dawn il-familji li emigrat lejn it-Tunezija. Catel iddeċidiet li tmur fuq il-passi tal-familja tagħha u tippubblika ktieb bl-isem ta' Malta, Tunis, Marseille.
It's about my family, my Busnana who left Malta with 6 children. It's what I thought, but I found out, like when I went to the National Archive here in Malta, the story was completely different. So I wanted to know more, and so I went also to Tunis to look at how they used to live there, which places, and I did connection with the old photography I had for my family and try to find traces of the past there. I found where my Busnana used to live, where my grandfather had his shop, the school where my dad used to go, and I met few people who remember this time where the Maltese were really welcome in Tunisia.
Fit-Tunezija l-familja Delija rnexxiet fin-negozju permezz tal-ikel imsajjar minn nanna li kien apprezzat mill-klijenti ġejjin minn pajjiżi differenti, it-Tunezija, l-Italja u Franza u ta' reliġjonijiet differenti. Jista' jagħti il-każ li dan is-suċċess u għejra li setat nibtet minnu kienu wħud mir-raġunijiet għaliex il-familja Delija kellha titlaq mit-Tunezija ftit wara l-indipendenza u l-politika ta' nazzjonalizzazzjoni u terġa' ssib ruħha l-ewwel Malta imbagħad Franza kif spjegatilna Catel.
At that time, a lot of Maltese used to immigrate to Tunisia, but they had to leave in the 50s, 60s when Tunisia get the independence, and they nationalized a lot of property, etc. So the foreigners were not anymore welcome. So my family left Tunisia and they came to Malta. And then, after 2 years here in Malta, they say, maybe we made the wrong choice and maybe it will be better if we go to France, like many Maltese have done at that time. And so they went to France, to Marseille. And it's why you have Malta, Tunis, Marseille in the title of the book.
Fil-bidu tas-sittinijiet Marsilja kienet tilqa' fiha taħlita ta' kulturi. Catel Delija det flimkien dokumenti mill-arkivji, ritratti tal-albums tal-familja u dawk li stess ħadet fit-Tunezija tal-postijiet fejn kienu jgħixu qrabata. Catel tajt li hu ktieb fotografiku imma li fih kitbiet bil-Franċiż, il-Malti u l-Arbi u enfasizzat li mhux soltu li dawn it-tlet lingwi jkunu flimkien anke jekk huma ilsna ta' pajjiżi ġirien.